Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is musical instrument part 2. So let's talk about today instrument of world famous musical instrument. Glockenspiel or xylophone. The unique bell set is great for early childhood. The notes names are indicated on each of the colored bar. The magic flute, the glockenspiel, is used for the bird catcher character. Goblet drum. The goblet drum is the goblet-shaped finger drum used in Arab music, Persian music, Balkan music, and Turkish music. It is thin, responsive drum head and renowned for produce crispy sound. Gakin is the most prestigious instrument in China. Guitar, a string musical instrument. Guitar, plucked stringed musical instrument that probably originated in Spain early in the 16th century, and a late middle instrument with the wasted body or four strings. Gazan, it is also one of the musical instrument of China, and the cross section top is curved and the bottom is flat. Handpan, the Caribbean steel pan and Indian Ghatam as the handpan maker in India. Mantra, handpan is the crafting quality instrument which is have beautiful tonal characteristic as well as stable long lasting tuning. Harmonica. Harmonica is the relatively easy instrument to learn and however to play properly, and you also learn how to control your breath. Beginner often get easily tired when the first start learning harmonica. Harp. The lyre is a string instrument that dates back to 1400 BC in ancient Greek. It is known as its use in Greek classical antiquity and later periods. The lyre is similar to lap harp, but differences between the construction place in two different family of instrument. Piano. Piano keys, like other keyboard instrument, are arranged in pattern of black and white, and playing the piano also makes your hands and arm muscles much stronger than the average person. Hurdy-gurdy. Hurdy-gurdy also have a unique buzzing timbre that is created by a small piece of wood called the buzzing bridge and the loosing attached to the high drawn string which is called trumpet. Kazoo. The metal holds the notes clearly, which helps you to transition between the smoother and pitches, lending itself to well to jazz as well as metal and electronica. Metal kazoo can handle lead melodies and harmony more seamlessly than the plastic kazoos. Let's talk about facts about musical instrument of world. Number 1. The research has discovered archaeological evidence of musical instrument is many part of the world. Number 2. In ancient time, people played animal horns. Number 3. A bone carving named the Dives Bebe flute was discovered that was used to play four notes. Number 4. The ancient Egyptians played castanets and drum and bells. Number 5. The piano. It might surprise to know you that 21 million Americans play piano. That's why piano is the most popular instrument in the world. Kids, which instrument do you like to listen and play? Please write in our comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the musical instrument of the world. Part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for support. Thank you for watching.